Okay, guys, let's get this done really quick. Right now, we're going to do what's called minute math. It's middle school minute math. And the reason it's called minute math is because it's only supposed to take a minute or two to do. So please write down on your piece of paper Math 1. And below Math 1, you're just going to write your numbers 1 through 10. Now on number 1, just write out the problem. 6 times 3 equals what? 6 times 3. You can use your calculator or look it up. If these weren't the first few problems, I wouldn't give you the answer. But yes, 6 times 3 does equal 24. Now let's think about this one. How many ears do 8 dogs have? Well, you've got 8 dogs, and then you want to do times. Each dog has 2 ears, so 8 times 2 equals 16. So you write that down for number 2. Now, just write this part down. It wants you to write n equals, what does n equal? Well, let's see. Here's how we're going to figure this one out. I'm actually going to come up here and put the whole, I want to show you the whole work. So if n plus 2 equals 7, then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to take 2 away. If you take 2 from that side of the equal sign, then you also have to take 2 from this side of the equal sign. So 2 minus 2 here is 0, and that just leaves you your n on this side. And then 7 minus 2, you have 7, you take 2 away on that side of the equal sign, and you get 5. So your answer is going to be right there. You could write all this, please, but your answer is n equals 5. Okay, moving right along. There were 8 bugs on the ground. Now there are 6. How many flew away? Guys, you have 8. You take away the 6 that flew away. What do you have left? 8 minus 6 equals. Okay, let's do this one. Here we have, first we have the 2 times 3, which we know equals 6. Now we still have that other times 2 we haven't done yet. So we're going to come over here. The 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and the 6 times 2 is equal to 6 times 2, 12. So that's your answer. So usually when I'm showing you guys this, I would be not doing it this way. I'd have a line under here, 2 times 3, and I'd have an arrow that goes down there, and it would say 6 is your answer. And then we take this 2 here, 6 times that 2 is 12. Okay, but anyway, 12 is your answer. So now we're going to look at 4 times 6 plus what gives you 31. So here's how we do this. What is 4 times 6? 4 times 6 is 24. So we have 24 on that side, and then over here we've got the equal side, and we've got our 31 there. Now, 24, oh, I missed one more thing too. We also have a plus in here. 24 plus what gives you 31? Well, the way you figure this out is you come down to the next line, and you're going to minus 24 from here. 24 minus 24 is 0. And then all the way over here, we have our equal sign. And if we took a minus 24 on that side, we have to take a minus 24 on that side. So your answer, oh no, I don't want to do that. Your answer, which, when it comes all the way over here, equals, and now we say, okay, so 24 minus 31 minus 24, that's going to be your answer for number 6. So 31 minus 24 is going to be, oh, I'm on the wrong one here. 31 minus 24 is 7. So then that's a 7. So your answer should be 7. So all that was the math we used to get number 6. The answer for number 6 is 7, but that's how we got it. Okay, now look. In this pattern, you see that they add 3 every time. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. Very good. Let's look down here. You have 7 bicycles. How many wheels are there altogether? 7 bicycles times 2 wheels each is 14. Okay, we have 2 more. Which one is greater? Which one do you have more? Do you have more with 3 weeks or do you have more with 20 days? Well, 3 weeks, 3 times 7. So think about that is going to be 21. So which one is more? 3 weeks, which is 21, or 20 days? Okay, so now I have to find the greater than, oh, here I found it. That one is more. Good job. Okay, so you just put that little arrow facing towards 3 weeks there. Which one is more, a centimeter or an inch? I'll just tell you that an inch is more. So your centimeter, this says 1 centimeter is smaller than 1 inch. 3 weeks is bigger than 20 days. And that is right. So now you finished minute 1. Now skip to another page. Either go to another page or go down a few lines and write math 2. Because now we need to get the next one done. So let's get ready and do this one. 3 times 5 is 15. Good job. $4 equals how many pennies? Well, there's 100 pennies, and $1 times $4 is going to equal 400 pennies. Good job. Number 3. 2 plus 5 is 7. Oh, wait, I did that wrong because first we have to do 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10 because in PEMDAS you always do your multiplication before your addition. So 5 times 2 is 10. Let me show it to you. Gosh, be dang it, guys. You know I'm going to want to show it to you. Here we go. This over here is the 10. Now, we've got the 2, plus we've got the 10. We're going to equal the 2 to the 10, and we're going to get our answer 12. Okay, good. So if you got your answer 12 there, you got that right. 12. Five times 2 was 10, and then 2 plus 10 is 12 for number 3. Okay, going on to number, no wait, 3, did I skip 4? I did skip 4. Okay, so there's no multiplying or dividing, so we can just add 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 minus 3 is 10. Good job. Now here it's just a divide sign. 2, well, the guy on top can go first, so you can put a 6 in your calculator, and then you can divide it by 2, and 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. 3 is your answer. Okay, so now this one, we're going to go up by 4 every time. 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 12 plus 4 is 16. I hope you wrote that down. 16 plus 4 is, I have to move over there. Oh, shucks, that's not the way I wanted to move, guys. 16 and 4 is 20. 20 and 4 is 24. Good job. Guys, this next one is so stinking easy. Look at this. Anything times 0 is 0. Boom. Don't forget that. That was just like a little reminder question. Okay, so we have got 8. I think this should be 2 1/2, and they just messed it up on the paper. So turn this into an improper fraction. So 2, first we take this number and we times these two numbers together. 2 times 2 is 4. Then we add this number up here in. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So you should have that it equals 5. Okay, very good. We have 2 more done and then you've got 2 done. So what is the product of 4 and 3? Product is multiplying. So when they're asking you what is the product of 4 and 3, they're asking you to do 4 times 3. And 4 times 3 is 12. What is the sum of 5 plus 4? When they're asking you for a sum, the sum of 5 and 4, that is a plus. So your answer is going to be 9. So please write those down for number 9 and 10. In case you need it, 8 you have 5, 9 you have 4 times 3 is 12, 10 you have 5 plus 4 is 9, 7 you got a big fat 0, 6 you got 16, 20, and 24. For number 5 you got 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Number 4 you got a 10, number 3 you got a 12. You got 400 pennies on number 2, and you got 15 on number 1. Good job. Let's stop, guys. You just finished 2 math lessons, and we need them, so that's good. All right, minute 1. You should just have math 1 and math 2. Take a picture of it and send it to me ASAP, because I have to put grades in today. Thanks a lot, guys, because you really need to get these on your grades. Thanks. Bye. Send me the pic.